Have you ever wondered what if a building or a bridge could tell us that it was damaged before we could even see the crack? Image standing inside a high-rise building or driving across a large bridge. Everything looks normal. The structure looks strong, stable, and safe. But deep inside the concrete, tiny cracks may already be forming. These cracks are too small to see with our eyes. They can slowly grow over time, and when we finally see them, the damage may already be serious. Hello everyone, my name is Ida Bagus Suryawa Santosa from Udayana University. Today I would like to introduce an innovation called NanoSense, a carbon nanotube-based self-sensing technology for real-time structural health monitoring. And infrastructure continues to develop around the world. More buildings, bridges, ports, and public facilities are being constructed. However, concrete structure can gradually worsen due to environmental conditions. Humidity, carbon dioxide, and chloride from seawater can enter concrete and cause corrosion of the steel reinforcements inside. Over time, this can create internal stress and lead to microcracks. The problem is, this crack can develop inside the concrete where we cannot see them. Traditional inspection mainly depend on visual observation. Meanwhile, conventional monitoring systems often use external sensors, which can be expensive, difficult to install, and vulnerable to damage or detachment. So, an important question is, why should we wait until damage become visible if we can detect it much earlier? This question inspired NanoSense. Unlike a conventional system, NanoSense is not simply a sensor attached to the structure. It turns the concrete itself into a sensor. NanoSense uses carbon nanotubes, or CNT. The CNT are extremely small carbon materials with excellent electrical conductivity and high mechanical strength. When CNT are mixed into concrete, they create a microscopic conductive network. When the concrete is healthy, this network creates stable electrical pathways. When microcracks begin to form, some of these pathways are destroyed. As a result, the electrical resistance of the concrete changes. By measuring that change, NanoSense can detect early damage before crack become visible on the surface. In a simple words, like the concrete can feel its own damage and send us a warning. To make this possible, small electrodes are embedded inside the concrete during the construction. A small electrical current is applied, and the system measures change in electrical resistance. The data are then processed by a microcontroller and sent to the monitoring device. This allows engineers to monitor structural condition in real-time condition. And NanoSense has another advantage. CNT can also act as a nano reinforcement. They can help control crack growth and improve the strength and durability of concrete. Therefore, NanoSense has a dual function. It helps strengthen the concrete while also allowing the concrete to monitor itself. This technology can change the way we maintain infrastructure. Instead of waiting for visible damage, engineers can detect early warning signs and take action before the problem becomes serious. This can improve safety, reduce maintenance costs, and extend the service life of infrastructure. More importantly, NanoSense support the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, especially SDG 9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure, by promoting innovative and resilient infrastructure. It also supports SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, by helping create safer and more reliable infrastructure for society. NanoSense has the potential to be applied to the bridge, high-rise buildings, tunnels, ports, and another critical structure. In conclusion, the future of infrastructure is not only about building stronger structures. It is about building can monitor themselves, can detect damage early, can warn us before disaster happens. Because smart infrastructure is not longer just an innovation. It is a necessity. NanoSense, we believe that future can start today. Thank you.